These are the mussels we bought at that store, Apple Tree. They have been nice in the refrigerator, and the brand is Cape Cod Mussels Seafood, farm raised, and this bunch cost me only $6.99, which is not so bad. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is wash them with this. Wash them really well because they always have something, and then we're gonna put them in the pan, and I'll let you know, with olive oil, garlic, a bay leaf, and some other things. Salt just a little bit, and crushed pepper as well. So we'll see. We already have bay leaf and the red pepper, crushed red pepper, olive oil, and now we're gonna have some nice parsley that we bought yesterday at the Apple Tree. See what a nice bunch. And then at the end we'll have cilantro. It gives a beautiful flavor after it's cooked. Okay, we cut very fine, and only after it's cooked. The parsley we can include, and then I'm going to include also 1 tomato and some oregano. Okay, and I'm gonna make myself a nice salad of watercress. We are not gonna forget the salt. We're gonna put some salt, not much. And I already washed them. Okay, I washed them. They were not that dirty. They were really very clean, but still I like to wash. And I put some ice in the meantime while it waits to be cooked. And anything that is open you have to discard, because that means they are not good. Okay, so we're going to start the process. And also we're going to put some garlic over here. As a matter of fact, plenty of garlic. Okay, and then we're going to start the process. We let this go a little bit, then we put the mussels, and then we cover them for them to open with the steam. Okay, here we are getting ready. This is the cilantro, the parsley, the oregano, and the tomato cut in little pieces. And then I thought about an onion too, as it will give flavor. So we're gonna let this cook a little bit, and then I'm also going to include wine after I have the shells, the mussels. And I should say that this amount of shells cost me around $7, which in euros must be like 4 euros or 3.5 kind of. So I think it was a good deal, and now it's the time to eat these things. It's still September, so it's good to have all these beautiful shells from the ocean. And we're gonna cook them and see how it comes out and let you know. I'm gonna include white wine, as I said. This is a Portuguese brand, Gonçalves cooking wine. Of course I should have another wine, but as a matter of fact at home I don't have any other wine. Okay, so this is cooking. I need some company. Are you coming? This is the way it looks. The tomato is getting cooked, and the onions. The parsley is already there, and the onion, of course. I put the tomatoes last, and I also put a little bit of oregano on the side. And now I'm gonna put white wine, because I think this is kind of almost cooked. At least the tomato is still a little hard, but after the mussels are cooked, it will be all fine. Okay, enjoy. Hope you like it. And I'm gonna get inspired to cook more. I don't know exactly what, but I keep cooking. I like cooking. See you soon. It's time for the salt, and the salt is right here. It's sea salt, and it's the way I like it, sea salt, and it's from the Portuguese fish market over here in the States, East Coast. We have everything, like I say, everything that is from Portugal. It's available over here. Olives, catfish, all the Portuguese products. And I also put some pepper, and now the sea salt, not much, just a little bit, because I'm not sure about these mussels being farm raised, if they need any more salt than the others, but we'll see. Let's see how it is. It's time for the mussels. I could just throw them in there, but because of the ice cubes, I'm doing this like this. I don't want to put any water in there. That is not needed. Here they go. They go in. And the fire is low for the moment. I don't want the base to burn. And when I'm done, then I'll see. I think it's gonna need more heat for them to open up fast. Okay, we're almost done. So this is the way they look now, huh? Nice bunch. It's a lot. It's a lot. Okay, then we mix them with the sauce when it's all opened up. Okay. Then we thought about having also olives. So what I'm gonna do with these olives, Portuguese style, I'm gonna put some oregano, and then I'm gonna cut garlic in tiny pieces and a little bit of olive oil. Yummy, yummy. And we are not gonna forget the cilantro at the end. No way, it's the best thing. Of course, you should put the lid on in order to have the steam for the mussels, and give it a shake. Once in a while, you give it a shake, and it's better for them to be covered with the whole sauce. Let's see how it is after just a few minutes. See, they are opening up. I think they're done. They are practically done. And we don't want them to be too long in the steam, as they might get rubbery. Okay, almost done. The dish is ready to put it in. Okay, with fish is everything matching, huh? Okay, and the table is set too. We don't want to forget the cilantro for the last part. So just another minute, the cilantro is there, and I'm gonna give it another twist with the lid, of course. Here we are. I don't think I'm gonna eat all this, but I can eat as much as I want. I wish I had some company, but my son doesn't appreciate this type of dish, so I'm gonna eat by myself. This is just for me, and whoever wants to come in, they are welcome to the mussels from Cape Cod, my style. Okay, I'll let you know if they taste good. I bet they are, but I'll let you know. The sauce is wonderful. I already tasted it, and I can even drink it from a cup. That's how much I like it. Okay, and I used to do that. Even with other type of clams, I would drink the sauce from a glass or a cup. And this is how much we're gonna have. And we're gonna put the shells over here and have our olives, our watercress salad, because it's very good for women. Watercress has a lot of iron. And some soda, because we don't have today any wine, but we would like to have this with some very chilled white wine or sprinkling wine, vinho verde, as they say in Portuguese, because it's famous in Portugal, vinho verde, especially in summer. And over here we also have package stores that have all types of Portuguese wine and port wine and everything else. But for some reason or other, today I don't have any wine, but this is just as good. Okay, so let's enjoy together.